Welcome to No Nonsense Airbnb. If you have an ensuite in your property, which is a private bathroom attached to a bedroom, I will show you how you can configure such an ensuite on your Airbnb listing in just a few clicks. Try and do this from a computer because their phone app is not suited for things like this. And once you're logged into Airbnb from your computer, click on Switch to Hosting on the top right. That will take you to your hosting dashboard. Click on Listings option in the top menu and then click on Listing Photo once again. That will open up your listing editor, and by default it will land you on a screen like this. Now let's assume I have an ensuite in bedroom number 2. So click on that bedroom where you want to add the ensuite, and on the next page you will see several options. The first one is the sleeping arrangement. This is where you can add beds to that room. And the second option is privacy info. Click on this privacy info and that will open up this menu, private attached bathroom. All you need to do is just flick this button on and click on save. From that point onwards, Airbnb will start highlighting that you've got an ensuite in this room on your listing when people are looking at it. And that brings me to the end of this video. I really hope you find this video useful. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.